Across history, civilizations have risen and fallen. Empires, cities, entire societies disappearing with time. And when we look out into a universe filled with billions of galaxies, many scientists have wondered why we see no confirmed evidence of other advanced civilizations that may have come before us. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question that still echoes today. If intelligent life is common in the universe, where is everybody? One scientific idea suggests there may be a kind of barrier, a stage in development that many civilizations may struggle to pass. And the question is whether humanity has already passed such a stage or may face it ahead. I remember the first time I truly thought about this, standing under the night sky, realizing that across all those stars, not a single confirmed signal has ever reached us. For decades, scientists have listened carefully using powerful radio telescopes, and so far, the universe has remained quiet in response. Today, with thousands of confirmed planets orbiting distant stars and advanced telescopes analyzing their atmospheres, the silence has become not just interesting, but deeply puzzling. Today, we will explore the real science behind this idea, what it suggests, what evidence exists, and why some researchers consider it one of the most important questions about our future. Some thinkers have even suggested that discovering simple life elsewhere could change how we understand humanity's long-term future in ways that may be concerning. Welcome back to Tomorrow's Science. Let's dive in. The Great Filter is a scientific idea proposing that somewhere between simple matter and advanced spacefaring civilizations, there may be a step so rare or so difficult that very few civilizations reach beyond it. From a scientific perspective, the reasoning is straightforward. If even a small number of civilizations had developed far beyond us long ago, we might expect to observe clear signs of their presence. Yet so far, no confirmed evidence has been found. This leads to two possibilities. Either such difficult steps are mostly behind us, or some of them may still lie ahead in humanity's future. The most hopeful candidate for a filter we have already passed is the origin of life itself. The precise chemical conditions required to produce the first self-replicating molecule may be so extraordinarily rare that Earth is genuinely exceptional. Another strong candidate is the jump from simple single-celled organisms to complex cells with a nucleus, a transition that took almost 2 billion years on Earth and may have happened only once in the history of life here. The Cambrian explosion, the sudden appearance of complex multicellular animal life approximately 540 million years ago, was so improbable in its timing and conditions that many astrobiologists consider it another candidate filter humanity has already survived. Modern technology has introduced powerful weapons, and experts have documented the risk that human actions could lead to large-scale destruction if not carefully controlled. Advances in biology have also made it possible, in theory, for harmful pathogens to be engineered, raising serious concerns about how such knowledge is used. Some researchers warn that highly advanced artificial intelligence systems, if not carefully aligned with human values, could create serious challenges in the future. Some philosophers have argued that discovering even simple life beyond Earth could significantly change how we interpret humanity's place in the universe. If life formed independently in more than one place, it could suggest that early stages of life are not the rare barrier, meaning more difficult challenges may exist later in the path of civilizations. Today, missions to Mars continue to search for signs of past life, carefully studying samples from environments where life might once have existed. Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev proposed in 1964 that civilizations can be ranked by energy use. Type 1 controls a full planet, Type 2 controls a star, and Type 3 controls an entire galaxy. and humanity currently sits at approximately type 0.73. Some researchers have formally proposed that advanced civilizations may deliberately hide themselves after realizing that announcing your presence to an unknown universe is a strategic risk no rational civilization would take. A peer-reviewed 2011 paper in Acta Astronautica formally proposed that advanced civilizations may deliberately limit their growth and energy use to avoid detection and collapse, choosing sustainability over expansion as the rational long-term strategy. On August 15, 1977, Dr. Jerry Amen at Ohio State University detected a radio signal so anomalous and strong that he circled it on the printout and wrote, "Wow." It lasted exactly 72 seconds, matched the expected profile of an extraterrestrial transmission, and has never been detected again. KIC 8,462,852, known as Tabby star, dims in completely irregular, asymmetric patterns that no confirmed natural astronomical process fully accounts for, and was formally published in a peer-reviewed journal as one of the most genuinely mysterious stellar objects ever observed. In 2020, the Breakthrough Listen project detected a narrowband radio signal appearing to originate from the direction of Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, which passed initial screening before subsequent analysis suggested it was most likely terrestrial radio interference. Scientific reports indicate that human activity may contribute to environmental changes that could affect global stability if not managed responsibly. At the same time, global data shows major improvements in health, poverty reduction, and overall quality of life, suggesting humanity is capable of progress. Some researchers suggest that the coming century may be one of the most important periods for shaping the long-term future of humanity. Some experts propose that expanding beyond Earth could help reduce certain risks by ensuring humanity is not limited to a single location. International cooperation on global challenges may play a key role in addressing risks that affect all of humanity. Some thinkers have reflected on the vast potential future of humanity if it continues to grow, explore, and develop responsibly. Ultimately, this idea is not just about the universe. It is a reflection on how humanity chooses to use its knowledge, its power, and its responsibility. What do you think? Are the greatest challenges of humanity already behind us, or do they still lie ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Tomorrow's Science for more deep dives into the questions shaping our future.